Today we're gonna be reviewing a solar street light. Here's what comes in the box. You get a remote, batteries yet, two AAAs, you get a mounting tube, two screws, the lamp, it's pretty big, solar panels. Ooh, it started beeping red. Ooh, that's how bright it is for right now. Turn it off. It's pretty bright. Should put it here to light me up better. This goes outside. It's a manual. Shows you all the modes. It has three modes or four modes. That's all. That's all it is. Put this here, and this goes in the roof or whatever you're gonna put it. You're gonna put it like this, or you can put it like this. It's higher. That's all you need is two screws and two screws for this right here so it doesn't move. It brings the batteries. That's a plus. This is very bright. It's 6500 color light, it's daylight. It has a whole bunch of LED beams. So it covers to 2100 square feet. So it's pretty bright. It's like a street light. Has big solar panels in the back, so you can see it. So like I said, it has different type of modes. Has a remote that you can change, like the brightness from 25 to 100. It has a timer for 3, 5, and 4 hours. So it has a motion detection, so you can plug it or you can set it to motion, and every time you go outside it will turn on. And there's another mode that it will turn on full blast, and then once you leave it will go down to like 20%. There's different modes. I think it's three modes. Yeah, there's one that goes from 100 to 25 and then 25 again, or a timing mode that it will stay all the way to 100. It's pretty big. It's pretty cheap for what it does. It's very cheap. So, but it's very well made. If you could tell, it's how many LEDs has. So you know it's gonna be very bright. Or you can use it for your farm. You can use it for your house. For a barn, for the back of your house, for your garage. So it's multiple uses for this light. No electricity, so you will never have a bill. It's all solar. So you know, if it's like that, it's a great deal. So definitely recommend it. So let's see how it performs. And I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching. You can see already installed it. There's two screws, one in there to hold it tight, and it's working. See how it does at night. I like it. And this is how it looks with no light. No light. Light. It's very bright. Very happy with it. Definitely recommend it.